We'll take you right through it. As we look at our satellite and our radar, yes, we've been socked in with cloud cover, fog, in fact, as we head into this evening, and temperatures that are continuing to rise over the next few hours. So we have rain now, heavier at times for areas north from about Buffalo to Batavia and towards Lockport, Medina, all coming down a little bit heavier now, and near Attica as well. Areas south, much more scattered, some heavier downpours at times, all of it in the form of liquid right now as temperatures stick right into the mid-30s. We're even going up to around 40 degrees over the next few hours, and anywhere from a quarter, 1/1500th of an inch to about a quarter of an inch of rain still going to be possible in areas north, maybe even just a touch more than that, with some heavier downpours associated with this low pressure system that's going to ride right across western New York. So essentially we're going from rain over to snow into the night. So the rain chances are going to be just about 100% over the next couple of hours, dying off some into the overnight, but that's also when we're going to switch things over to snow as temperatures go right back down to around the freezing mark. We've been in the mid-low 30s through the day. Now at 36 degrees at the Buffalo airport. We have easterly winds that are just around 5 miles an hour. So areas to the north have those cooler numbers as we watch this low pressure system move through. Southerly winds warming things up, especially near the lakeshore, and still sticking close to 40 degrees Wellsville and Jamestown. And again, over the next few hours, even by 11 p.m., we're still sitting close to 40. Then we're in the upper 30s. Into the overnight, we're dropping down closer to the freezing mark, and again switching things over to snow. As for those hilltops, those are the areas with the highest totals into snow category for the overnight. 1 to 3 inches. We'll have temperatures that are close to freezing. Now, this is how it looks going into the night. 11 o'clock, we still have scattered rain showers. 2, 3 a.m., we're switching things over to snow. And then areas south will still have a few flakes early as we start our Wednesday, mostly cloudy. Otherwise, a few light snow showers possible into the day on Wednesday with highs only in the mid-30s. As for snowfall into our early Wednesday, it's under or near a ½ an inch off of Lake Ontario as well. Higher elevations a little further inland, Orchard Park and East Aurora may have an inch or so on the ground. Now you combine that with rain that we've had throughout the night. You're not really going to see this on the roadways, but this is where we'll pretty much see around 1.5 inches to 2 inches, those higher elevations for the Boston Hills along the Chautauqua Ridge as well, and much less further inland from Ellicottville and into Wellsville and northern Pennsylvania as well. But just expect it to have temperatures that are just near freezing, so anything that has been standing or liquid, that will end up freezing over. We'll have temps that are in the mid-30s tomorrow, southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, just a few flakes around, and then we're just warming up from there. We're going into the mid-40s on Thursday, a pretty pleasant day we'll call for winter. We'll also deal with some sunshine there. And for the first half of Friday, a few hours into the day, we're dry. We'll have temperatures that are rising into the middle 50s. We'll have rain showers then developing, and we'll deal with another round of rain showers on Saturday, and temperatures plummeting from there, going from the 40s into the 30s, along with wind coming back. Mother Nature says, hold on, it's still winter everywhere.